your bunker. Look at that, eh? I wonder how big it is. Sandy, this is gonna drive Sandy nuts now. She's not gonna like this. She's gonna want to go inside.
Should I try the door?
Sandy, you're gonna go to jail. They're probably filming you right now.
Does it say don't go past the sign?
That's right. It says no trespassing.
Oh.
Right there. This was made for presidents. Cruise ships are in, picking up more passengers, and we are headed to Peanut Island, which is right here.
Okay, so snook.
Common snook.
Snook.
I think you need a special license to catch them. You know, I've never seen a manatee. I've never seen a manatee yet in real life. Nope, just in print.
Yeah, we've been looking though.
Yeah, we try to look for them, but they don't seem to be interested in us. Listen, they have camping here too. Like if you get a permit, you can camp on the island. They got a nice campsite with barbecues and whatnot, like fire rings right behind us. I'm not going to film it, but
little tents, like it's nicely kept. It looks like they're all partitioned off into little spots, which is kind of nice. And they have
very clean too.
Yeah.
I mean, the place is spotless with the amount of traffic they get.
Yeah.
Now they have rules on the island, like no bicycles and on the paths or whatnot. But anyways, if you don't like to follow the rules, then don't come. But
I'm impressed.
Very impressed.
Yeah.
Wow, they've done a nice job here. Peanut Island. They got its name because when it was built, they were going to do. It was going to be for shipping in peanut oil. Anyways, and then that fell through, and the name stuck. Peanut Island. It's not shaped like a peanut either. I don't think so. Is it?
No, definitely not.
No.
Definitely not.
All right. The bathrooms are great, eh?
Nice and clean.
Unbelievable, eh?
Yeah, awesome.
They do a great job here.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely.
We have had a reporting on a manatee. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see from up here, but it's raining, blowing pretty good too here in the Riviera Beach, West Palm Beach area.
Yeah. We got back to the boat, like I think just in time before the rain came.
Yeah, Peanut Island was pretty cool, eh?
It was. I enjoyed it.
Very impressive. I mean, like, you know, if that's where their tax money is going,
it's well done.
Well done,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah. Definitely.
Hey, anyways, thanks for following along.
Yeah.
If you guys have any questions or any comments you want to leave below, no problem. We'll answer any kind of questions you can throw at us, because you can't hurt our feelings. Why does that do that every time we
because it does. So
and
just
the radio,
leave it. It is what it is. It's part of boating. So
we leave the radio on just in case somebody tries to contact us or there's an alert of something like that.
Yeah.
Our boat's swinging around pretty good. I just saw a mast go by, but he's far away. It's an anchored boat.
Yeah, and you want to listen for any warnings, like weather warnings. So that's really one of the main reasons, and it's a small craft warning today, and quite a few boats actually have come in from being out on the Atlantic. They've come in.
We're
today.
swinging around like that.
Yeah, we are.
It's wild. Like, you know, it's kind of neat. We're down below here. Like, there's 6'3" headroom here, and we're down below, but the boat is moving. You can feel it. It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Anyways, bye for now.
Ciao.